Kia ora, taku ingoa, ko Brad Totorewa, no Ngāti Naho, Māori a te marae, tēnā tātou. The year 2013, where we commenced the pūtake o te riri, which was the commemoration of Rangiriri, the invasion of Waikato, 150 years. And as we, warriors from around Waikato and the wider Aotearoa, carried out a reenactment where children were lying on the ground pretending that they were dead, and that our warriors one by one would lift them up onto their shoulders and return them to the middle of the pā. It was at that moment, beyond my tears, that a vision came to the forefront. And that vision was to give our ancestors a voice, to rebuild the Rangiriri Trenches. PGF funds was integral to provide capital works to enable us to rebuild. No one knew how to rebuild these trenches. We were working off a map that was drawn by the Crown at that particular time, shortly after the invasion. And so we required the funds to actually do the build. And the build itself took about 9 to 10 months.